Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In automation testing, writing test cases is not enough. We must also verify that our application behaves as expected. So in this video, we are going to learn assertion in Pytest, one of the most important concepts for every QA automation engineer. Whether you are a beginner in Python automation are preparing for interviews, understanding assertions will help you write reliable, meaningful, and fail proof test cases. So let's begin. First, understand about the assertion. What is assertion in PyTest? An assertion in PyTest is used to validate expected results against actual results. If the condition inside an assertion is true, the test case passes. If the condition is false, the test fails, and PyTest clearly show what went wrong. Let's begin. In previous tutorial, I write basic this test. You can watch this video at find here PyTest fixture and install Chrome driver. This is the service for installing Chrome driver. First, you need to import Chrome driver manager, and this is for closing the browser after executing all the test cases. In this file, total two test cases. One is navigate to the URL, and the second test case is first navigate to this URL and then admin find this locator which is link text. Here look at by link text because this is link. As you can view here, these all the links which is admin page. If you right click here and inspect, this is admin page link a href. It means this is the link. So clicking on this link, you need to define here driver.find. Here you can view browser.find element by dot link text. You can also click on this text by partial link. So now I will show you how you can add assertion in these test cases. First, we will verify this URL should be displayed when navigate to this URL assert browser dot current URL and then enter this URL. We will enter this complete URL. It means when navigate to this URL, this link should be displayed. Remove this round bracket here. We will enter equal. Now run the test. For running the test, this is first assertion. Navigate to this URL and this URL should be displayed. Now run the test. For running these test cases, we need to click on terminal and enter command here Pytest. Just enter this command. This is for running the test. Collect two items because here are two test cases. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and it will check this current URL should be displayed. Running first test case and then run the second test case. Navigate to this URL and both test cases have been passed. Let's add more assertion here. Assert this title should be displayed. So we can add here para bank. This title should be displayed after navigating this URL. Para bank in browser dot title. This is second assertion. Now run the test. Just enter here Pytest and then run these test cases. Collected two items. First navigate to this URL and it will check the current URL, and then check the second assertion. Parabank should be displayed in our title. Now I will show you if we enter here invalid title name, so test case will be failed. Now enter invalid title and run the test. In this scenario, one test case will be passed and the second test case will be failed. This first test case will be failed because here we enter invalid title. When the actual and expected result is not matched, so test case will be failed. As you can view here, F it means failed. Running second test case, navigate to this URL. One test case will be passed and one failed because you can view here assert para and in browser title, but the actual title is Parabank Welcome Online Banking. Here we enter invalid. Now change here Parabank. Let's add more assertion here. Can add here assert admin dot is displayed is enabled. We can use here enabled. Remove this one. Can change here admin dot is enabled. This line will check whether this element is enabled. Now add assertion here assert admin dot text, and this link contains this text which is admin page is equal to dot text is equal to admin page. Now run the test. Navigate to this URL. Now both test cases will be passed. First navigate to this URL, check the current URL, and then check this Parabank title should be displayed. And running the second test case, it will check admin page. This admin page text should be contained. Now, if we the invalid link name, because this is admin page link, but we enter here admin. Now, test case will be failed because actual and expected results is not equal. So, test case will be failed. Open browser, navigate to this URL, and then verify this title should be displayed in a page. Running second test case, and it will check this admin page link contains admin page text. And as you can view here, test case failed because here we enter invalid link admin page. Now again run the test. You can view here minus admin and plus admin page. In log you can view in a detail. Now again run the test and both test case will be passed. Navigate to this URL test_demo. This is the file name. If you want to run specific 5 test cases, so you need to mention here command Pytest and then enter file name. Now in this scenario we have only one file test_demo. But if you have multiple files and you want to run only these test cases in a specific file, so you can mention here Pytest and then enter file name. Suppose you can enter here test underscore demo. So only this test case will be executed. Two test cases passed. So that's all about assertions in Pytest. We learn what assertions are, why they are important, and how they help us ensure the quality and accuracy of our automation test cases. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.